When babies eat, they will swallow air. You will want to burp your baby midway through each feeding. In the beginning, feed your baby half of an ounce, then stop and burp for a couple of minutes. Then feed the baby the other half of an ounce and burp again. Continue with this until you're familiar with your baby's routine. A lot of babies spit up, and in most situations it's normal. Spitting up is just like spilling over. You don't need to be concerned about this. Vomiting, though, is when a large amount comes out very forcefully. This is when you'll want to check with your pediatrician.